Hello, everyone, and happy Monday. I'm going to quickly walk you through our classwork for today and spend some time going over our experiment that we will be performing. First thing that you need to do is log into STEM Scopes before doing the experiment and complete the 3.5C changes in heat pre-assessment. So here's my tab. This is already assigned to you. You should complete the pre-assessment from 3.5C changes from heat. Then I do want you to come back to Schoology for your next directions. After completing your pre-assessment, please make sure you gather the materials that are here. And reminder, I told you all about these on Friday so that you would have extra time to gather these and have them ready for Monday. You need 2 bowls. You need about 8 to 10 cubes of ice or pieces of ice. And please make sure they're all about the same size so that we can replicate this experiment as closely as possible to what we need to do. Next, you are going to open the ice cube experiment slide or worksheet. It will be here on Schoology as well. For this experiment, we are going to be discovering and understanding changes from heat. So we're going to start thinking about what do you think will happen to the state of matter of your ice cube as you apply different forms of heat. And I want you to also be thinking about how does an ice cube melt over time? So when I am heating it longer, when I'm applying these changes from heat longer over time, does it melt more quickly or does it change more slowly? Here's how we're going to start the activity. This is exactly the procedure that you should follow. First, take your blow dryer, plug it in. Don't start it just yet. Just plug it in and have it ready. Next, grab your bowl, put your ice cube in there. We're not ready yet. Don't turn it on yet. I just want you to make a prediction. Will this melt and change more quickly or slowly as I increase time? So if I just melt it for 1 minute and then I melt it for 3 minutes, do you think it would melt more in the 3 minutes or in just the 1 minute? Go ahead and write your prediction here. So this is what I might be thinking. I think it will melt faster in just 1 minute on hot. So I don't think 3 minutes will make that much of a difference. I think it just needs 1 minute. Okay, now we're ready to actually practice this. Take your blow dryer, turn it on the hot setting, and put the heat on the ice cube. Not right up against it. Just make sure that the heat is going onto the ice cube. Do this for 1 minute. Then take note in your head. Okay, now that your minute is up, just keep that in your head. Take your second bowl now and take your second cube of ice. Using the same hot settings for this new piece of ice, make sure you're using the new piece of ice. Now I want you to put the heat on the ice cube for 3 minutes. Now that you're done with that, I want you to take notice of your results. Did this melt? Was the melting more significant in the 3 minutes than the 1 minute? You might be thinking to yourself, oh, it actually didn't change states of matter that much more in the 3 minutes. Or you might have noticed, wow, it actually did change its state of matter in the 3 minutes versus the 1 minute. So that might be telling you that the longer I leave heat on this ice cube, the state of matter might change more quickly. These are observations that I want you to make today. Then, when you are finished with that portion, I want you to go on to the blow dryer in the cool setting. Do the same thing. Then, for outdoor temperature, you should just put your ice cubes in a bowl and leave them outside. For the room temperature one, do the same, leaving the bowls on the counter and making observations as well. Please reach out if you have any questions about this and have a great time with this experiment.